Hey guys, so you've been all wondering about the drift project, maybe not, because well there was one video about it and nothing else. So here are some videos how I'm drifting the C180. I also tried to weld it. So tried to weld it, but yeah, that's all, nothing compared to the lack of power. So I sold it. Basically, well, I bought another car with a different engine. Well, it's the same block, but it has power. And as you know, it was the main goal. I wanted to swap the engine. Well, I can swap the car, and I got the engine I want. But there's one problem. It's an automatic. So definitely I needed a swap, and I will get it. So basically I haven't filmed a lot, but I was enjoying the car, and I was thinking about how to film this video, how to overcome this situation when I sold the car and didn't pronounce that I bought another one. But check out these some drift videos that I got. Also, the car has had some problems. Well, I fixed it. Kinda. I wasn't sure what was it, but well, check this out. Alright guys, so we have a bad problem here. I don't know what it is and what caused it, but my engine now sounds like a diesel. Well, it sounds like the lifters or something, I don't know. So guys, we took off the valve cover. As you can see, there's a lot of sludge, and that's all from a bad old oil. Well, look at this. There's really a lot of sludge in there. Well, I thought that these hydraulic lifters were bad, but I changed the spark plugs and it was good for a week, and it all started again. Then I changed the wires and the plugs, so now it's good. The engine is all good, and yeah, I'm getting the manual swap. guys, so I have an update. We're going to meet Andres and go see a manual swap that I found on internet. So it is from 202. It's 2.3 naturally aspirated petrol. Well, I talked with the guy and he offered me a deal for 200 euros. He offered me the transmission, clutch, flywheel, drive shaft, differential, all the mounts, the shifter, shifting linkage, pedal assembly, basically everything to do the swap. So yeah, I'm going to get it and then I'll show you more. Let's go. So we bought it.
367.
Oh, 367 ratio, and I don't know what I have on the car, but yeah. Well, this is the manual transmission that we just bought. The differential, well, we got one axle as a gift because the last owner was too lazy to take it off. Well, we are missing the slave cylinder. Well, we bought that new. So the drive shaft. This is what yeah, with the 90mm jocks, and it won't probably fit the last one, not the last one, but the old one that's on the car. So I will probably need to swap all it in place, and my old differential won't bolt on anymore.
The clutch is...
Yeah, the clutch is, well...
It's fine, I guess, but you should probably buy a new one, but maybe not. Up to you.
We'll see how it goes.
Yeah, it's a bit burnt here and there, and the flywheel is also a bit grooved, but maybe it's gonna be fine. If not, you'll just change that.
Well, it's a cheap swap, so anyway.
Yeah.
Well, yeah. Well, we'll keep you posted of what will happen.
Garagify cleaning, very cheap.
5 euros per hour. You can get this guy.